In this video, I'm gonna show you how to identify trends in the easiest way possible. Hello and welcome guys to another video. As you can see, we have BTC USDT 1 hour time frame. Guys, for this trick we only need 2 MAs. And remember that the higher the time frame, the more accurate analysis. And in this case, we are using 1 hour time frame or higher. Now, let's jump into the indicators part. Right here, search for MA, which is moving average. Click on moving average 2 times because we need 2 moving averages. Okay, done with the indicators. Now let's adjust the settings. If you come right up here, click on settings. The first moving average, we should change the length into 10. Then go to the style, change the color into green and increase the thickness. Okay, done with the first MA. Now the second one. You come here, then again inputs, length, change it into 20. Go to the style, change the color into red and increase the thickness. That's all. Okay, done with the indicators. Okay guys, now let me show you how to identify an uptrend using only 2 moving averages. Before we continue with the trick, I highly recommend you to use Fairdesk as your cryptocurrency exchange. You won't need any KYC to trade and withdraw. You can claim your unlimited gifts and use a lot of more interesting features. Register now using links on description below. Fairdesk, trade fairer, trade wiser. Now, how to use these 2 MAs in order to identify an uptrend. As you have noticed already, there are a lot of fake signals. So how can we make sure? This is the trick. First, we should have a downtrend. As you can see, whenever the red MA is on the green one, we can call it a downtrend. We would wait for a reversal point. This candle right here broke these 2 MAs at the same time. This is our first feature. A bullish candle should break these 2 MAs. On the next candle, the red MA should be under the green one. We identified the beginning of an uptrend. As you can see, from now on, we had a clean uptrend. With this trick, you can avoid fake signals. And remember that this is not a trading strategy. This is just a trick you can use in order to identify the trends. That was all for identifying an uptrend. Now, let me show you how to identify a downtrend. Okay guys, first we should have the green MA upper than the red one. This is telling us that we are in an uptrend. Now we will wait for the reversal point. Whenever we had a bearish candle like this one, breaking the 2 MAs at the same time, then on the next candle, the green MA was under the red one, we will call it the beginning of a downtrend. Okay, let me show you a clear picture. As you can see, this is our downtrend. It actually goes forever. Yes. Here we go. With this candle trick right here, we can avoid the fake signals. That was all. Thank you so much for watching us. Stay safe and remember, you are
the CoinMagnet.
Peace.